Hello, my name is Tim. I'm from Vietnam. Please pardon me if my English is bad sometimes. In this video, I'm going to show you my project. So now let's take a look. Here you can see the interface of my webpage. It looks like Google's homepage. So let me go ahead and type in something, for example CS50, and hit enter. You can see the normal results of Google's search engine, so nothing special. Let's go back. If I type in something, for example YouTube, and hit this button right here, it will lead me to the first result of Google search. Okay. For that feature, I've implemented the special get parameter on my code. I'm gonna show it on the screen so you can see. Let's move on to something else. You can see two links here. The first one is image search. If you click on that, you can see the images searching page. Now, let me go ahead and type cat and hit enter. It led me to the images searching page of Google. And now, you can go to the advanced search. So this is how it looks like. As Google's own page, you can type in specific things you want to search. For example, I want to search for all these words field. I am going to type in cat and this exact word and phrase on CS50. Any of these words, David, and the last one is hover. So now let's click on this button. So now, as you can see, it shows me the results I want to see, because I specified the special parameters on the input in the form, so it was customized. You can go back by clicking on this button, and you can also navigate to these links, for example, like that. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.